Hello, everyone. My name is Meredith Phipps, and this is my Space, Place, and People presentation on Des Moines, Iowa. It is for my environmental science class 401 at Brandman University, spring 2020, term 1. Des Moines, Iowa is in central Iowa and is the capital of the state. It is an urban area with rural surroundings and has the largest population in Iowa. Back in 2013, Forbes magazine rated it one of the best places to live for business and careers. The Des Moines community is primarily white, 75.4%. The next two highest percentage races are Latino with 13.3% and Black with 11.3%. There are many positions and jobs in Des Moines, those being business, financial, service, educational, and many other areas. Now, the median household income is $52,251. That is considered medium middle class income. 17.2% of the population is in poverty. We value education in the community. 86.1% of the population has completed their high school diploma or received their GED diploma. 25.8% of the population has obtained a bachelor's degree or higher. Speaking of colleges, we have multiple universities in town, those including Des Moines Area Community College, Des Moines University, Grandview University, Upper Iowa University, Drake University, and just outside of the town, Simpson University in Indianola, Iowa. Our physical environment is made up of various fresh resources. These include the Des Moines River, the Raccoon River, and Saylorville Lake. We have plenty of woods and plant life. We have active wildlife, including deer, fish, and turkeys. This is especially important for many of the Iowans that do hunt. We have a large farming community outside of Des Moines. Iowa is known for its corn and its soybeans, especially. Our weather can be a little sporadic. For instance, we have had snow in May, and we have had 60 degrees in January before. Now, our everyday temperatures, the average, is lower than the rest of the US, but our temps have reached below 50 degrees with the wind chill and over 110 degrees with the heat index. This can make for a very dangerous environment for people that need to be outside. Every winter, we tend to have one or two people pass away from the extreme cold. And in the summer, we risk dealing with heat stroke. Our humidity also falls within the rest of the US averages. Now, our precipitation mainly falls in the US averages except for December through February. Now, while it falls in this range, we have had flooding, and some areas tend to flood all the time. For instance, in 2018, we had a flood in which one house collapsed, and then further down that street, there was a gentleman that drowned. We also tend to get quite a bit of snow, although it does fall within the rest of the US averages. We can have large snow and ice storms. Now, this causes many problems for people if they can't get their medicine or their essential groceries. Schools close down, and it can cause a danger for people who are driving or walking, causing accidents. Generally, Iowa has a couple people die each year due to these accidents. Like most of the world, we have been affected by pollution. Now, our air pollution has gone down by our emissions. In this graph, it shows between the years 1990 to 2015 a 41% decrease in air pollution emissions. This is spectacular because this does directly affect the health of not only our people, but our wildlife as well as the woods and rest of the forestry. Now, as this chart shows, the rest have gone up in percentages, including the gross domestic product, energy consumption, the amount of miles each vehicle travels, greenhouse emissions, and a slight increase in population with 12%. We have had an increase in adult and child obesity as well as asthma. Des Moines is a great place. We have nice people, and with the urban environment, there are always things to do. For instance, a farmer's market, concerts, wine tastings, everything. We have plenty of fresh resources. While we do have these, we do have some pollution, like most of the rest of the world. We're a thriving community, and we love being around each other. Thank you for watching my presentation on this little community. This is where I have grown up for my entire life, and I love living here. Thank you all.